Mountain Village Campground 2 because one was closed for the season. Just seems to be a little stop on the side of the road.
Yeah, it's a nice area. Washrooms and plug in. And then you can fill up your water, what you gotta do.
It's really beautiful. There's lots of mountains around, and we're only about 11 minutes from the city of Banff, so it's a good spot. So the water fill-up is also closed here for the season, so I guess we're just gonna have to buy a jug of water in Banff. Oh well, on to Johnston Canyon and Bow Valley Parkway. Hopefully today we will see a bear, because yesterday we were looking really hard for like an hour while we were driving. Didn't see anything. Maybe today's a lucky day.
We're at Johnston Canyon in Banff National Park on the Bow Valley Parkway.
Johnston Canyon is an easy but beautiful hiking trail in Banff National Park. It's just 5 kilometers long and takes about 2 hours to complete. Limestone cliffs form the canyon, and gorgeous waterfalls spill into the turquoise pools below.
After a day of hiking, we went for dinner at the Grizzly House in the town of Banff. This Swiss Fondue restaurant serves various meats, seafoods, and breads dipped in cheese. For dessert, we had to get chocolate fondue with fruit. time in Western Canada was coming to a close, but we spent a final day exploring the nearby town of Canmore, Alberta. Our final hike of the trip was an incredibly windy ascent up the Grassi Lakes Trail in Kananaskis Country. Driving the Bow Valley Parkway because all the travel blogs say that there's supposed to be an abundance of bears here. This is supposed to be like one of the best places in Banff to spot wildlife. Been on it for like 2 hours. So far we've seen a field mouse.
That's it.
That's it.